Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn the names of different sports balls. Soccer ball,
Soccer ball,
American football,
American football,
volleyball,
volleyball,
tennis ball,
tennis ball,
baseball,
baseball,
basketball,
basketball,
golf ball,
golf ball,
cricket ball,
cricket ball,
table tennis ball,
table tennis ball,
bowling ball,
bowling ball,
beach ball,
beach ball,
hockey ball,
hockey ball,
squash ball,
squash ball,
lacrosse ball,
lacrosse ball,
water polo ball,
water polo ball,
hockey puck,
hockey puck,
softball,
softball,
billiard ball,
billiard ball,
shuttlecock,
shuttlecock,
rugby ball,
rugby ball. Thanks for watching friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.